you now raise your voice at me, Bella. That's it.
How do you think that a lawyer like me will settle for an illiterate bus driver like you?
A man that fed you. A man that gave you life.
The same man you dumped because of class differences? Oh, wait a minute. Now he is good enough to be called your man?
And the most heartbreaking was that I told Bella that I was hungry. All she could do is to give me 500 naira.
How could you barge into my office premises to assault me? Have you gone nuts?
You have no shame at all. Don't you think karma has come to repay you?
I am the same vomit you covered with sand 5 years ago.
How did you end up with him? I mean, you are too beautiful and intelligent to end up with such a man.
Sometimes people mistake obsession for love.
If you see poverty, tell him or her I said that he's going to die a painful death.
Don't touch me! Don't you dare touch me again! How could you be this heartless?
What kind of a thing is this?